This is a supercar that even Musk can't buy. This Lamborghini is called Fantasia, valued at 250 million. Only one in the world. It has been a godlike presence since its release. The car is only for collection, so even if you are rich, you can't buy it. The car has a very avant-garde design. While retaining the iconic Lamborghini look, it features extremely exaggerated design on the entire body lines, especially the huge Y-shaped rear wing with cool, angled tail lights, combined with the hexagonal exhaust design. It makes the car look like it's about to take off. The car is powered by a V12 naturally aspirated engine, 0 to 100 acceleration in just 2 seconds. But there are currently no specific test data, because the chassis is too low. Even a small stone on the road can block its way. But this doesn't affect its aesthetics. The Lamborghini Fantasia features self-healing green paint. Minor scratches can automatically repair and restore, in addition. The floating mudguards on both sides of the body are also highlights. The exposed racing suspension at the front end is very cool. The most surprising thing is, this car actually comes with a trailer hitch. Do you know what it's for? The cockpit of the car has only one seat. Even the door opening method is the same as a fighter jet. While this design is very cool, getting in and out of the car is very inconvenient. Do you like this car?
My dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye.